Since we already leak checked over here, we're gonna put the torch up. Always got a superstition that you never put the torch up until you do leak check, because put the torch up when you go to do leak checks, you're gonna have a leak. So we always wait to do that.